How's it going, guys? This is Ryan Scribner from Investing Simple, and today we're going to talk about the differences and similarities between Robinhood and Acorns, which are two popular investing apps out there for beginners looking to invest in the stock market. So first of all, there's a couple big differences between Robinhood and Acorns, but we'll start off by talking about what you can actually invest in with both of these different brokerages. So with Robinhood, they offer commission-free trading of stocks, ETFs, options, as well as cryptocurrencies in certain states. Now, on the other hand, Acorns offers just 5 different pre-built investment portfolios. So with Robinhood, you pick and choose what it is that you want to invest in. You are in the driver's seat. You make your own portfolio, you pick your stocks, and you pick your ETFs. With Acorns, you are actually not picking individual stocks. You can't even buy individual stocks on the platform. You simply choose a portfolio that was built by an expert to automatically invest in. And they basically have some that are more conservative and some that are more aggressive and some that fall in between. So right off the bat, if you want to trade individual stocks, you're not going to be able to do that with Acorns, but Robinhood will allow you to do this commission-free. So as far as the style of investing goes here, Robinhood is for more of an active investor who wants to pick and choose their own investments, while Acorns is for a passive, hands-off investor who doesn't want to be actively involved in picking and choosing stocks and funds. The next big difference between Acorns and Robinhood is how much it costs to use each of these platforms. Robinhood is 100% commission-free with $0 minimum account balances. So if you trade with Robinhood, you are not paying them any money. It's completely free. Acorns, on the other hand, is also a $0 minimum. However, you do need $5 in order to make your first investment. But the big difference is Acorns charges a monthly subscription ranging from $1 per month all the way up to $5 per month, depending on what features that you are looking for. But above and beyond that monthly fee, when you are adding more money to your portfolio, you don't pay any trading commissions to Acorns. So if you're looking to invest for free and not spend any money on fees, Robinhood allows you to do that. If you're looking to spend a little bit of money and take advantage of some of these automation tools and the pre-built portfolios, Acorns does have that available, but I do caution smaller accounts because if you have a very small amount of money invested with Acorns, that monthly fee can actually be pretty high. So if you only had like $100 with Acorns and they're charging you $1 per month, well, over the course of 1 year, you paid $12 in fees, which is actually 12% of your total brokerage account, which is really high, unnecessarily high. So if you are a small account, Acorns may not be the best option out there. Now, Acorns does have a number of features above and beyond what you will find with brokerages like Robinhood. For example, they have that spare change roundup model, which has gotten really popular, where you can essentially make purchases and any extra money, they will round it up to the nearest whole dollar amount and invest that money. So if you buy a cup of coffee for $1.50, they'll round it up to $2 and invest that 50 cents on your behalf. So this spare change roundup is a really cool feature, but you're not going to find it on Robinhood or other free investing apps just yet. Another cool feature that Acorns has is their Found Money Partners, which is where they have relationships with certain companies, and if you make purchases using your Acorns Spend card, you're going to get a percentage cash back, but instead of getting cash, it's money that goes into your investment portfolio. So if you take advantage of things like that and shopping promotions, that may be a useful feature for you as well. And on top of that, you are going to have the Acorns Spend available to you if you want to use the debit card as well as the checking account. But again, that all depends on whether or not you plan on using the full suite of Acorns products or just the basic investing account. Another big difference between Acorns and Robinhood is the types of accounts that are available. So with Robinhood, you only have the individual taxable account or the margin account available. You don't have retirement accounts or anything else like that. Acorns, on the other hand, offers individual taxable accounts as well as a number of different retirement accounts, and they also offer custodial accounts if you want to invest as a family and set up an account for your child. Lastly, let's talk about that sign up promotion. So if you use the links down below and you sign up for Robinhood, regardless of how much money you put in, you're going to get one completely free stock worth anywhere from $2.50 up to $200. Acorns, on the other hand, if you use the link below, you're going to get a free $5 invested in your account automatically just for signing up. At the end of the day, Robinhood is designed for complete beginners looking to trade individual stocks, ETFs, options, and crypto commission-free. They don't really have a lot of bells and whistles above and beyond that. It's meant to be the easiest trading app out there for active traders who want to pick and choose their investments without paying commissions or fees. Acorns, on the other hand, has a totally different target market, and those are the forgetful or maybe those who are not very good at saving money. If you need an automated solution, that's what they offer with the spare change roundup and different things like that. Like I said earlier, the one thing I would watch out for is if you do have a small account with Acorns, just keep an eye on those fees because $1 per month can actually add up to quite a bit if you have a very small amount invested. So that's going to wrap up this comparison, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and if you're looking for more information about Acorns versus Robinhood, the best place to find out more information is the Investing Simple website. So just go ahead and Google Acorns versus Robinhood and click on Investing Simple to read the full article. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.